Ever wished you could seamlessly blend existing PDF designs into your new SketchUp masterpieces? Well, today we're making that a reality. Welcome, 3D modelers and design enthusiasts. In this quick tutorial, we'll guide you through the straightforward process of importing 3D models from PDF files directly into SketchUp, unlocking a whole new level of project integration and workflow efficiency. First things first, let's open up SketchUp. Navigate to the File menu. You'll see an Import option. Click on that. A dialog box will pop up now. Here's the crucial part in the Files of Type drop-down menu. Find and select PDF. Once selected, browse to the location of your PDF file that contains the 3D model you want to import. Select your desired PDF and click Open. SketchUp will then begin the import process, depending on the complexity of your PDF. This might take a moment. You'll notice that SketchUp imports the PDF as a collection of 2D lines and shapes. Now, to transform these 2D elements into 3D geometry, we'll use SketchUp's familiar tools. The Push-Pull tool is your best friend here. Select it. Click on an enclosed face imported from your PDF and drag upwards or downwards to create depth. You may need to use the Line tool to complete any missing edges or create new faces for extrusion, especially if your PDF wasn't perfectly structured for 3D import. Think of it as tracing over your existing plans to give them volume. And there you have it. You've successfully imported your 3D model from a PDF into SketchUp. Now you can effortlessly incorporate existing designs, refine them, or use them as a foundation for groundbreaking new projects. This technique is a game changer for streamlining your architectural modeling workflow. Happy modeling!